Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to convert text to speech. Here's how. Step 1. Go to the audacityteam.org website and click on Download Audacity. Step 2. Open the downloaded file and install Audacity. Step 3. Open Audacity and go to Audio Setup. Click on Audio Settings. Change the host to Windows Wasapi. And change the device to speakers. And click on OK. Step 4. Open your browser and go to Google Translate. Write down your text which you want to convert into speech. Step 5. Open Audacity and click on Record button. Step 6. Go to your browser and click on Listen button.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems.
Step 7. After the completion of recording, click on Stop Recording button in Audacity. Step 8. Export the file as MP3. That's it. Subscribe to Quick with AI YouTube channel and press the bell icon first to watch our video. Thanks for watching. Bye.